Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A33 from 2020 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll a little and tap on the display and brightness. And as you can see here we've got the auto screen off option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 30 minutes applied, but if you want to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use, for example 5 minutes. Just tap on it, and as you can see it has been immediately changed, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.